Hey YouTube, Phil and Florence. I got something I want to show you that came in the mail yesterday at UPS. It's if you were listening, I mentioned it the other day when I was showing you the Santa Maria Griddle Accessory. I got this from Gabbys Grills too. It's a griddle, a big griddle, and it fits. It's like 19.5 inches, and it fits the entire surface of a Weber kettle. It's a little pricey, but it's not a flimsy griddle. It's 3/16 thick, 3/16 rolled steel, cut circular, and it's got a band or lip around it, 1/8 inch steel that's about 1.25 inches or so high. But check it out. And you're talking about stout. There you go. Look at that steel, 3/16. It fits a Weber kettle, 22, and I mean, you can do the smash burgers with that. You can heat it as much as you want, press on it. I mean, you're not going to hurt it. It's well made. I'm going to take it out here in the opening, and I'm going to put it on one of these grills. I may as well do it on the Santa Maria and get that and this all seasoned up at the same time. Stand by. All I'm doing today is putting the cure on this grate and on this griddle, but I'm gonna also be cooking some chicken later on. Buddy, that's a load there. That is a load. That fills up this grate. Put some Crisco shortening on it, some lard. Let that work in. Alright, when this works in a little better and gets a little hotter, I'll show you what it looks like. I got some small splits in there, and they're catching up. They're beginning to burn, so it's going to be 5 or 10 more minutes. Okay, it's starting to change color now. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, that spot's getting bigger. Putting the heat to it. It's changing colors now. Wow. Okay, it's darkening up. It's about to get there. I've gone over it 4 times with lard and wiped it down. Gone over it again, wiped it down. That's all I know to do to it, other than use it. Okay, this is later, and I've scraped the griddle. It had some high places in it with just burned ridges of grease and stuff. I think I may have gotten it too hot, but I'm going to do this bacon to try to get it in a little better condition. I got it smooth, now it just needs to be used a little bit more. And I'm over here on the gasser. Instead of firing up charcoal and all, I'm just getting over here on this gas grill, getting some bacon frying on it. Alright, I'm going to give these a little flip. Anyway, I thought I'd show you the next session on trying to get this seasoned up, putting this bacon on there. Bacon's doing fine. Got it on the old gasser. Next time you see it, it's going to be doing smash burgers on the Weber kettle. Later.